I'm actually in Highland Park now, passing Figueroa Street here, breaking some rules here. What am I doing here? Well, they have some train tracks here, and the train is coming. So let's check that out. It's a double track. Well, today actually what I'm trying to do is not really to be standing here, but down the street here we have a very old bridge. Oh, it's coming here. The train you just saw here is actually right now on the old bridge, and I'm going to check that out. It's kind of cool. It's actually the Santa Fe Arroyo Seco Railroad Bridge, I think they call it. It's a very long name though, but it's basically a bridge for a train. It would be very, very fun to walk on these tracks just a few hundred yards in this direction here, and you would be on the bridge in like a minute. You can almost see it from here. But that's of course very dangerous, and I don't want to do that. So I will go back to the car and drive up the street and go down below this famous bridge. Highland Park is really a nice little community, and trust me, they are more than just a railway track here. I just happened to have an interest in that bridge today. So while I'm walking back to the car, I'm passing this little taco place they have here, and another train is coming here. You can clearly hear that, right?
Exactly the same like speech patterns, and he does really weird shit like so.
It makes me hungry, but it's not time for tacos yet. Maybe later. It's safe to cross the street now because no traffic here at this point. They have a lot of trains here, so we will see more later on here. Here we have the Arroyo Seco Parkway. And I actually found a spot where you can go under, almost under the bridge here. You see it up there. So let's go closer and check it out. So back in the days, in the late 1800 something, right? They had one little bridge here and a train going, and that lasted a few years. Then they built another one, and that also lasted just a few years until they basically decided to build a real bridge for the train. And they almost took this one down, I think, so they decided to fix it, and this is what we have today. Wow, you see these steel legs here. Let me go to the shade here because it's kind of hard to see when you have the sun in the face. We have Highland Park in this direction, and let me turn around here in the shade, and looking up here we have South Pasadena and Pasadena, of course, and this bridge here is going over the riverbed here, making a left going up to Pasadena, and then all the way to Azusa. It's a nice park area here right below, and these legs they have here, they are massive here, as you can see, and they built some fence around this one because I'm guessing that otherwise people would climb up. They put some razor barbed wire up there, but you still have these, you know, tags up there. People actually have a tendency to go up and put the mark way up there. I think it's a cool bridge though. I mean, this is really a sweet old school bridge, almost 130 years old. And right next to the bridge here we have smaller homes, and they continue all the way up to the ridge you can see up there. Aside from that, it's a park where you can go out and relax or play with your kids. And I'm looking back now towards the parkway. Wow. It's really warm now. It will be up in the 90s later on today, and I can feel it. Every step I take makes me sweatier and sweatier. God, it's warm, but it's nice at the same time. So I'm just hiding under the tree here. You go down there 5 minutes and you will be in downtown Los Angeles, down the parkway here. So it's really close actually, it's not far at all. I'm not sure if this used to be some kind of road in the past. It kind of looks like it, and now it became a parking area, I think. There is one more thing I'd like to try. I know it's mission impossible, but I will give it a shot at least. You see that hill on the other side? You might be able to see some homes up there too, and I checked it out on the map, and it looks like you can go out there, walk on some dirt trails and get the view of the bridge from above. So yeah, let's give it a shot. Let's try at least, and if that doesn't work, then this is the last view you have of this historic bridge. I'm just saying, but we can't give up. We need to try. How many legs do they have, by the way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like we have 7. 7 of these legs is actually holding up these trains. Let me be standing right under here and just go slowly up. You see all these bolts It's just another engineering marvel. Somebody actually designed this. And I think the railroad company used to have one smart guy, right, who actually came up with all this, and then he made some blueprints and sent out his troops to build it. The more I look at that hill there, I'm not even sure if I can see anything from up there. It's actually a lot bigger than I expected. I checked it out on a map and it looks so tiny, right? But it's a real hill we have to climb. I finally came up here on the back side of that big hill we saw earlier, and I think there is a path I can go up there, but you never know until you have tried it. So I'm going in here on Hardison Avenue. This would be really fun. There is no parking in here, so I had to park down by the bigger street. Oh man. Another day when you have to walk uphill. And I hope this little path you see there will take me to the top. All right, I'll see you in a few minutes. I'm coming to the edge here. And you see the railroad bridge is down there, but I'm still far away from it. And this place here gives you a pretty nice view over Highland Park here. I'm just turning back here because I saw this path is actually going up here, so maybe I try that. Maybe this is the place where people go and hang out in the nighttime. And you see it's kind of steep and sweaty. Oh man, this is steep. I'm looking back here. I came from here. I'm pretty much up on the top here, and what I need to do is to go to the edge, if there is an edge, and look down. But this is really a nice place. A piece of nature, a few minutes from downtown Los Angeles. And as you can see, I'm pretty high up. Take a look. I think I'm lucky. I mean, this path here is going in the right direction. And there is some kind of strange circle here. I wonder what this used to be. There are like no signs up here. It's just a perfect stone circle here. I'm sure somebody built something here in the past, right? And let's see what I can find out. We are looking up to Pasadena right now. What should I do? Maybe I should go out here. I think this is the best view I can get of this historic bridge here. So what I will do is I will just wait for a train to pass here, and then my day is complete and I can sleep well tonight for a job well done. All right, let's just wait. Finally, the train is coming here. I had to wait like 10 minutes. And there you have it. A little train passing this beautiful bridge.